अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो क्या हाल चाल है आप सबकी। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैर खैर से होंगे। मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त, आपका होस्ट क्रिप्टो नॉलेज। आज हम बात करेंगे एक प्रोजेक्ट पर जिसका नाम है WAL वाल। ये कैंडी ड्रॉप का एक प्रोजेक्ट है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। कैंडी ड्रॉप 64 कैंडी ड्रॉप एक्सवर्ड्स 3 WAL ट्रेड एंड deposit to share 1666.66 WAL 13 August 2025 UTC 43,248 viewers. Candy Drop is get candy airdrop platforms where users completed tasks to earn candies and share tokens. Airdrops we are executed to launch the WAL token airdrop events where you can completed the following task to earn candies and share to a total prize boost of 166.66 WL with a maximum individual share of 2000 WL. Details are as follows. Please guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Features trading pools 833.33 WL maximum 1000 WL per person. Deposit trading pool 833.33 WL maximum 1000 WL per person. Airdrop calculations formulas individual candy amounts total candies of all users prize pool. Event periods August 13, 2025, 9 a.m. August 21, 2025, 9 a.m. UTC. Join now. Features traders price pool results. Users with cumulatives WAL features tradings volumes buy plus sales 30,000 USDT can share a prize pools of 833.33 WL based on WAL features tradings volumes with a cap of 1000 WL. The more you trade, the more rewarded you earn. Second, deposit price pool. During the events, users with net WL deposit 1000 USDT held for at least 24 hours and not withdrawal will receive candies based on the deposit amount at a total rewarded pools of 833.33 WL will be shared, and the maximum per user is 1000 WL. Net deposit is calculated based on the WL price at the time of deposit. Cumulatives net deposit on chain withdrawal uh, red redemptions of recharge codes C2C sales and any withdrawals after claiming task will also be included in the net deposit. Please guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. WL net deposit 1000 USDT 1 candy. WL net deposit 3000 USDT 3 candies. WL net deposit 5000 USDT 5 candies. Project introductions. Words 3 is a digitalized platforms that empowered users to create and deploy AI agents capable of performing tasks automations and strike opportunities across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystems powered by cutting edge agents VM technology and the Word 3 AI protocols. Our platforms enables users to build experience levels agents equipped with hierarchical planning continuous executions multi-chains quantitatives and cross platforms automations. We are building the world's first three natives experienced AI agents. Workforce distance from the group up to host a new class of digital entiles. President performational uh, grade agents cables of executing complex multi-step task autonomous sales our expanded periods token WAL official website note. Participants must click the join now buttons on the events page after successfully joining the events. They must completed the events task and individually verifications to receive rewarded. Second, rewards will be distributed to users' accounts within 14 working days after the end of the events. 3. It is strictly prohibited to register multiple smart accounts in Hex in Milokos was trading, self buying and selling or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts to the same verified users will be considered the same accounts. Contact sub accounts are not allowed to participate in activities. Number four, market markers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in this events. Agents accounts cannot participate in friend interventions type activities. Will others activities are uh, understride. Number five, in case of any discrepancies between the translated versions and the English versions, the English versions shall prevail. 6. Get has the final interpretations right for this event. 7. Users in restricted areas cannot assist all or part of the service, including participation in this events game or competitions. For more information about restricted areas, please read users agreement. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Number 8, risk warning. Users must pay attention to the fact that what volatile currencies trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuation and difficult to predict. Please be source to pay attention to market risk and trade constellation. Get teams August 13, 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 300 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get to Tokens actions. Now sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewarded invited friends and earn a 40% commissions. Stay contact visit Get official website, download the Get app iDesktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more business, join our telegrams community to decisions tradings topic in Hague with our global community for the latest insight and transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receivers. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. WAIL ongoing words 3 is a digitalized platforms that empowered users to creators and deploy AI agents cap- capable of performing tasks, automations, and stakeholder operations across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystem. Total prize pool 1666.66. Participate 8376. Event ends in 5 days, 22 hours, 23 minutes. Registrations open 13 August 2025, 14 am. Events ended 21 August 2025. Airdrop 10 uh, 10 2025. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Completed task to share 1666.66 WAL prize pool. Features trainings volume share 833.33 WAL. Total tokens 833.333 WAL. Individually shared limit 1000 WL. EST share 00. Complete task and share prize pool, share reward, log in and participate. 13 August 2025, 21 August 2025. Complete task 13 August 2025 and 21 August 2025. WL features trading task. Trade 30,000 USD in WL features to share the price pool based on your trading volume. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Claim up to 1000 WL rewarded will be distributions on 10 9 2025. The actually available time shall prevail. Active rules users with an uh, uh, announcement WL features trading volumes by sale 30,000 USDT can share a 833.333 WL price pool based on their trade volumes. The more you trade, the greater you are rewarded. Deposit to share 833.33 WL token. Total tokens 833.33 WL. One individual share limited 1000 WL. EST share. Complete task and share price pool, share rewarded, log in and participate. 13 August 2025 and 21 August 2025. Complete task 13 August 2025 and 21 August 2025. Task 1 WAIL deposit 1000 USD. Net deposit amount 1000 USD of WL tokens to receive one candy. Tokens 2. Task 2 WL deposit 3000 USD. Need deposit amount is 3000 USD of WL tokens to receive 3 candies. Uh, Task 3 WL deposit 5000 USD. Net deposit amount 5000 USD of WL tokens to receive 5 candies. Claim up to 1000 WL rewarded will be distributed on 10 10 9 2025. The actually available time shall prevail. Activity rules deposit at least 1000 USD word of WAI and hold without withdrawals from 24 hours to earn up to 9 candies and share a 833.33 WI pool. Second, net deposit on chain deposit menus on chain withdrawal deposit code withdrawal and C2C sales withdrawals after task acceptances. Also contact FAQ. What is are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drops are required to complete identify verification and click the joining button to on the events page only after successfully joining. So will their activity data be market marks enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Question second, we when will candies be distributed after completing task? Uh, Candy will be distributed within 1 3 hours after the users completed task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from candy drop after 3 hours. How is the net deposit calculated? During the task period, users must note performance and on-chain withdrawals, deposit codes, withdrawals, or C2C sales operations for any tokens after depositing the specified tokens for this deposit event. The net deposit amounts must be maintained from for 24 hours to the completed the uh, deposit task using the deposited tokens for collateralized leadings hold and earn fixed term savings. Dual investments for or sports trainings will not affect the net deposit balance. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. What is a price pool sharing and where are there no candy rewarded? Price pool means that users who reach the active their holds throughout their transactions volume or recharging amounts during the events can share the total rewards pool proportional. There are no candy rewards. Terms and conditions. First, participant must click the join buttons on the events page after successfully joining the events completely the event task and identity verifications to receive to reward. Second, reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the events concludes. Three, VULK registrations of multiple accounts, Melicoins, volumes, manipulations, waste, trading, self-tailings, or others chatting behaviors and are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user's identity will be considered a single accounts. Sub accounts are not eligible for participations. Number four, market marks. Business and editions are not eligible for this events. Affiliated accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in all others events withdrawal registrations. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question 5, in case of discrepancies between translated versions and the English versions, the English versions shall prevail. Number 6, get receivers the final right of interpretations for this event. 7, users from restricted regions will be unable to use all or part or of the service, including participations in this events, games, or contacts. For details, information regretting restricted regions, please refer to the users agreement. Number 8, risk warnings. Users must be bears in mind that cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulated publics. Market price are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade conditionally. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Uh, Collaborated creators and automatic deploy your 24/7 AI workforces, creating intelligent autonomous AI agents that automate your Web3 life. De- uh, Deploy agents get airdrop. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. This video.
Three. The Web3 world is complex and never sleeps. That's why your tools have to keep up. We've built long-lived expert agents that run for you 24/7 dedicated VM. Their real power comes from being Web3 native. They don't just scrape data, they truly understand on-chain reality. Our goal is to help you automate your entire Web3 world. Let me show you how. First, let's see how a newcomer can explore Web3 opportunities safely and efficiently. I'm asking our Web3 advisor to suggest a profitable PTE game. It instantly taps into the World3 knowledge base, recommends the fully integrated Crystal Caves, and provides a clear tutorial. The advisor, it even asks if I'm ready. Let's do it. With a single click, it deploys a dedicated agent for the game. After a simple setup, the agent is live, reading real-time on-chain data. Based on the game's current state, it intelligently selects the optimal mining strategy for its next move, and you can see the rewards accumulate. This isn't just following commands, it's actively thinking and strategizing for you on-chain. But World 3 is far more than just getting started. For complex tasks like asset management, our specialized agents take over. Let's give our trading agent a real-world challenge, managing my USDC on 2 chains with a conservative strategy. It starts not with an answer, but with a clarifying question to tailor the perfect plan for me. Now, watch the core Web3 native difference. To create a personalized plan, the agent securely accesses my wallet's asset information. Your funds always remain under your control. Based on what I hold, it then dives deep into real on-chain data to find the most suitable high-yielding opportunities for those specific assets. It returns with a transparent, personalized strategy. But the real magic happens after I approve. The agent doesn't just give me instructions, it takes action. It automatically connects to the protocols and directly interacts with the smart contracts on each chain to execute the entire plan. This is the power of a true Web3 agent. Understanding the chain, creating a strategy, and then executing it for you. This is a professional grade asset management, redefined and fully automated. So, we've seen how agents guide and manage, but what about building something new from the ground up? This is where our agent ecosystem truly shines. I'll start with a simple concept, a decentralized VPN. Our DocuWriter agent doesn't just write, it analyzes the market, studies competitors, and understands the technical requirements. It thinks, plans, and then executes, producing a professional white paper. This document becomes a smart artifact, the source of truth for other agents. Now, for the magic of artifact handoff, I give the white paper to our Web3 dev agent. It reads and understands the entire vision, then formulates a plan to turn into code. Within moments, it delivers not just clean, production-ready code, but a live website, from a document to a live product instantly. Finally, I'll use that same artifact with our influencer agent to build a community. It ingests the project's soul from the white paper to create a complete marketing strategy. Once approved, it executes autonomously, posting content, engaging with key figures, and tracking its performance. This isn't just scheduling posts, it's a full-fledged intelligent marketing campaign run by an agent. What makes this level of on-chain intelligence and collaboration even possible is our unique architecture. Our modular architecture, with its expandable skill and knowledge packs, creates an infinitely expandable Web3 world model. This runs on a
Thank you
cloud
so much,
native
everyone,
world
for
VM,
joining me.
enabling agents to execute complex, long term tasks across any Web3 scenario. This is how we truly automate every aspect of your Web3 life. Deploy your agent workforce today with World3 AI and automate your Web3 life.
Thank you so much for joining me. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Transcriber this X space link to the next https://.com I slash space slash one maxweb blwxko key partners features UAI workface computalize on click agent deployment uh, deploy your AI employees in a monetized node month zero um, coding required monitors your AI workface through real time dashboards are they executed complex Web3 tasks uh, auto auto usually. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Modularized it agents customize your agents with unquick personalized skills plugins and knowledge packs access millions of external web 3 web 2 and web 3 apps and extra data feed 24/7 intelligence workforces. Your near sleeping AI employees handles DeFi uh, optimizations, solutions, media managements, and gaming automations are running 24/7 without supervisions. Universal Web 3 assist throughout world VM and browsers automations yours agents integrate with any websites DApps or blockchains protocols if you can do it manually your agents can do it smart assist management your AI agent acts as quick tentative fund managers optimizing DeFi yield and executing trading strategies automated wealth generations will you force on strategy. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Architectures the foundations of Word 3 agents applications layer. This user's interface layers for creating and managing AI agents. It includes the no-code AI agents, portrayal for distributing agents, and agent marketplace, multi-agents playground for testing agents and users created apps make. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Word AI protocol. The Word AI protocol powered the intelligence and adaptability for agents. It uh, equips them with skills, playing knowledge, bug and advanced playing and exclusions models to automate workflows and handles complex tasks. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Blockchain's layers. The blockchain's layers provides digitalization, security, and probability with the word AI protocols, blockchain assets like AGAS and WL tokens and governance features. It ensures agents can operate securely in a ecosystems. Explore the world 3 ecosystem. Customizing your AI agent portal. Your AI headings centrally created specialized employees uh, for every Web3 task, from crypto trading specialized to social media managers. Each agent's learnings and improves for every interactions. Full agents customizations with personalizing skills and knowledge model. Agent can skills and dip at through real-time interactions with users and the Word3 environment. Inter-agents portal. Explore the matrix world. A 3D playgrounds for humans and AI agents with features sports for AR, VR, MR. Inter uh, matrix world. Explore the site Searstall caves, deploying gaming agents that earning will you sleep. The first AI powered P2E game where you agent mine competed and generated real rewards across multi-chain completed Atomos. Inter circulated caves. AI driving gaming-fied missions platforms. Word 3 quiz sets provided a gamified missions space where agents and users can completely tasks for rewarded. AI driving missions for both users and AI agents with quiz for lemons convertibles to WL at TGE. Unfunded AI driving space for Gola oriented agents learning evolving from missions completions to missions irritations. Our Stroy 2025 question 3 launched the WAL token. Thank you, Edmund, for our gift token and airdrop for Lumen holders. Uh, da- Data. Your AI work forces in action. 110k plus agents deployed. 2.8 million tokens completed. 170k plus tweets generated. 2.8 million tasks completed. Your AI workforce in actions, really agents, really results, real revenue generations across Web3. Last post. Binance World 3 WL airdrop and exclusion tokens airdrop for eligible Binance Alpha traders. Accompanying news, WL officials debates on Binance. We are third to announce that Word 3 WL has officially uh, debated on Binance Alpha. Word 3 10 August 2025. Microsoft for startups backed developed for Web3. These customizable AI agents enables users to optimize cryptocurrency. Word 3, 19 March 2025. The AI automates the AI driving autonomous. Word 3 has superpasses. Word 3, 4 March 2025. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Our collaborat- collaborators, the best investors, trust. Word 3. Trust by leading industry driving the futures of Web3. Best part of Word 3 shapes the features of the Web3 um, together with Word 3. Joining the Word 3 community, uh, dive into the Word 3 universals, ask questions, stay update, and shares you in game journey with fellow enthusiasts. Base be part of our vibrant and growing community. Collaborated and built with us in words. We are always open to extending collaborations. Fill out the from and out teams will get back to you within 48 hours. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Joining our newsletters, subscribe to our newsletters and stay update. Enter your email by subscribe. You agree to with our privacy policy. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Claim airdrop rewarded WL Luminize pools and PSPS pool total rewarded 100 millions WL. Binance Alpha airdrop start in uh, community airdrop start in 1 point per launch snapshots community per pending for TGE airdrop and claim as WL token. uh, 10 August 2025, 12 August 2025, uh, 12/11 2025, 12 August 2025. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Introductions. The Digital Fund Trade Challenge. The Digital Fund Trade is explaining at the under expanded rate, yet it remains largely undermated. Both the establishing Web 2 land space and the burgeoning Web 3 ecosystem are constituted by fundamental limitations. The absence of a truly autonomous intelligence workforce. Today, AI consists of passive tools that require constant human guidance, while automation is confined to write per programmed scripts. This creators are selling on pro productivity and innovations and presents a significant barrier to the seamless integrations of Web 2 and Web 3 worlds. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Moreover, that overwhelming numbers of AI platforms unbrings daily can sometimes leave us even more confused in an effective to address these limitations and uncertainties and ultimatums to purposes and optimized in corrections. The word three platforms was born. Word three shatters this ceiling. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Word 3 is a digitalized platforms that empowered users to create and deploy AI agents. These agents performance task automations and enhance in strategic operations across both Web 2 and Web 3 uh, ecosystems powered by cutting edge agents VM technology and the Word 3 AI protocols. Our platforms empowered users to building experiential levels agents equipped with uh, hierarchical playing strategic things and Gola dyno positions. Continuous executions 24 by 7 automations operations multi-chance continuity natives web 3 integrations cross platforms automations simulation web 2 web 3 opportunities. A new class of digital intelligences. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. We are building the world's first Web3 negative experiential AI agents workforce is our platforms is designed from the grounds up to host a new classes of digital entity president performationally uh, grade agents capability of executing complex multi-steps tasks autonomously over expanded periods beyond simple chatbots. These are not simple chatbots or single purpose bots. They are workforces of specialized traders executing sophisticated DeFi strategies, marketers mining automotives, social media companies, analysts processing data and generation indicators, developers buildings and developing applications, gaming specializing optimizing play to earn strategies. All options 24 by 7 across and digital environments. Conceptual foundations. Things of it as the impressions of a professionally autonomous workforce for the digital age, conceptually similar to the advanced agents compatibilities seen in web 2 platforms like menus, but fundamentally reviewed with negative native web3 integrations on chain capability is digitalized in those multi-chain operations means in an autonomous AI agents platforms that impregate in the Web 2 environments, automatically performing complex digital tasks based on users' naturally legal components. The world's three visions. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Our views, our vision, our visions extending beyond simple automations to creators a fundamental shift is how digital work is performed from receiving to prosative. Traditional AI tools wait for command components words three agents antipathic needs and take inverted based on long-term objectives. From sessions based to president most AI integrations and when you close the chat word three agents remembers context learn from experience and contact working even when you are official offline from single chains to multi-chain. Web3 is fragmented across multiple blockchains. Word3 agents operates seamlessly across any chains, protocols, or DApp. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Number four, from technically barriers to accessible powered complex Web3 opportunities required deep technically knowledge. Word 3 agents democratize access to sophisticated blockchains, computers. Really, words impact. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Word 3 list theoretically we are already demonstrating really impact. 600 lakhs plus registers users activity actively building and deploying agents 24,000 plus individually AI agents running continuously 47,000 plus automouse social media post generated 1.7 million plus on chain transactions executed autonomously top ranking achieved across multiple blockchain platforms. uh, what makes word 3 different true automouse not just API call were padded in chat interfaces but genuine automouse options with members playing and exclusions capability. Web 2 performance Web 3 options optimized distance to operators seamlessly across traditional Web 2 interf- infrastructures will offering native levels sports for blockchains environments including gas fees awareness smart contract interactions and multi-chance operability modularity architectures examples smarts were capabilities can be added shared and compiled throughout our skills plugins and knowledge pack ecosystem proving performance real users real results real transactions not just DOMs for pro- uh, prototypes creators economics suitable ecosystems where developers creating and users all benefit from the platform's growth. The futures of work. The word three represented more than just platforms. It's a perpending shift towards futures where humans focus on strategy and creatives will agents hands executions. Digital work continues 24 by 7 without human interventions. Complex Web3 opportunity become access to everyone. AI completables are done characterized through the community contributions. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Launch pool. Quick staking on opportunity network tokens 95.83 millions cumulative airdrop 656.71k estimated total rewarded 38.08 billions funds raised 6 millions plus participate about launch pool subscribe. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. uh, FAQs. What is a launch pool? Launch pool is a platform where users can stake their assets to or provided liquid to earn rewards in new project tokens. Users can look specified tokens in the launch pools to receive corresponding project tokens reward. Join launch pool now. How can I participate in launch pool? First, log into your get accounts and negatives to the launch pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question 3. Which coins can I stake in launch pools pool? The total eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page or each project. Please visit the corresponding page of launch pool to view more details. Question 4. How to get airdrop bonus? Uh, when you stake BTC, GT, Ethereum, and USDT in launch pool, you will get bonus, which is still object to the individual. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Rewarded cap per horse by choosing to transfer the remainder assets to simple earn fixed terms. Please note that subscriptions to simple earn flexible terms or fixed terms on outside launch pools will not qualify or for business. Question 5. How to many tokens will be rewarded? Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream, and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Horally stakings rewarded individually last one horse valid staking amounts total pools staking amount horally reward pools system will take snapshots of individually staking mounts each horse and take the average as the valid staking amount. Question 6. Where did I receive a bounce after subscribing to simple unfixed terms of when staking? If you reached the rewards cap per horse, no more bonus will be distributed. Question number 6. Are rewarded distributed? System will take snapshots of individually staking amounts and distributed tokens reward to eligible users. Orally earnings will be distributed into users' sports accounts. Question number 8. When will the staked assets be remanded? After the users remains in advance to or the staking is completely the stake assets will be uh, thank please guys like share follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream will be transferred to simple and by default it if this option is unchecked the uh, staked assets will please guys like share follow my live stream will be remanded into sport assets if the amounts of remanded assets is too small uh, does not meet the minimum subscriptions amount of a simple earn the assets will be automatically transferred to sport assets. If simple earn does not supports the subscriptions of the remanded token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to sport assets. Uh, Question number 9. Can I remanded my stake assets at any time? The systems will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts each horse and calculated the valid staking amount. Uh, However, early random motions may result in this loss of crossed rewarded place maintaining stable staking amounts to ensure mining reward. Can I edit additional staking assets? You can I increases your staked assets at any times. The more tokens you stake, the creators your potentially mining rewards. However, once the rewarded cap is reached, you will no longer receive staking reward. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question 11. Can I participate in multiple project at the same time? When there's are multiple launchable project going on at the same time, you can stakes in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple project. Each staking pools needs to be staked spiritually. If you only stake assets in pools, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pools B. You can stake pool A and pool B sufficiently to obtain the corresponding mining rewards. Question number 12. What is maximum mining rewards I can receive? Uh, The hourly reward hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no features taking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements or the minings page for the rewards hard cap limited for each project. Question number 13 will stake assets in the launch pool impact my VIP level. No assets stake in get launch pool will be included in the assets holdings calculations for holder airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. Please guys like share follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like share follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Holder airdrop. Hold GT and get massive airdrop for free. 0.12 airdrops received 296.6 million completed airdrop. 11 million plus participate. 282 project launched. Subscribe. No project in holders airdrop. Now try launch pool. Uh, Look Ethereum's public to get public airdrop with up to 1025.95% APR participate. Please guys like share follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Launchpad. Be early to the next big token project. 1.77 billion amount. 74.86 k participate. 3 project. No project in a launchpad now. Try launch pool. Look Ethereum's and public to get public airdrop highest APR 1025.95% participate. Historical project. Please guys like share follow my live stream and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Okay जी अल्लाह हाफिज़. ओके जी अल्लाह हाफिज़. फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ. इसी के साथ आप मेरी स्ट्रीम को लाइक शेयर फॉलो लाजमी कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.